this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I've been fairly lucky the past few weeks. I haven't had to stop what I was doing or me canning and preserving and record a Fabric Friday because I've had some waiting because of those triangle and hexagon throws. And last week I showed you the shopping that I did for my hobby and so today all I'm going to do is just show you what I'm working on at the moment, and I'll bring the camera around now. Now whenever I sit down to quilt a quilt, every pattern I've ever seen or done just goes flying out my head and I can't think of anything to do. So I thought I'd do these sampler blocks. This is the first one I did. And as you can see, there are different things on there. The second one I did is there. I don't know if it's going to make the patterns really well. And this is the one that I was working on yesterday. Now, they're fairly large, each square, and there's 9 in total, and they are 6 inches by 6 inches, and then there's a 2-inch border round it, and that's just a nice size. That's 22 inches by 22 inches in total, and now I've got 3 of them, and oops, I've got some more patterns in mind to do as well. I've used variegated thread, different ones. This is brown with yellow. There's that one is blues, reds, yellows, and the bottom one is pinks and reds. So I'm trying out me variegated thread as well. I started off with that one and I'd got a plan in mind for it, to put it that way, and it was going to be a gift for somebody. And when I got part of the way through it, I thought, oh no, it's going to be good for me to do all these different patterns. And now I've got 3 of them and still thinking of more patterns. I'm going to join them together, quilt as you go style. This is my plan at the moment, it might change. Going to join them together, quilt as you go style, and put them all across my back wall, and they will become my design wall instead of that yellow curtain I've got. So they'll be visible, I can see them all the time, and it's easier to have something like this as a design wall rather than the curtain, because as the curtain you've got to actually pin things to it, whereas you can just stick your pen in and hold wherever it is there with just a touch of a pen. So it's going to be better for me. Plus it's playtime, so I might record some more of me doing another one. I don't know, I might just record putting them together. We'll see how I feel, because I'm a bit tired at the moment. So that's what I'm working on at the moment. Come on then. I've been asked by several people where I get my fabric from, and the majority of my fabric I get from Abercorns online, although the shop is only about 8 to 10 miles away, and they've actually got a sale on, I believe it's next Wednesday and Thursday, the 20th of November, and they've got a 20% sale on in-store and online. So if you get the chance and you've got some spare cash, try them out. They're very, very good. I've already been on and decided what I want. The money that we had the other week, I didn't spend it all. I saved some just in case something like this happened, and it has. So yes, I can go and buy some more fabric. So thank you. Bye.